Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make $300 per month with no stress. All I need from you is just to pay good attention to what I'm going to show you in this video and take action after watching this video. Okay, so watch it and implement what I'm going to show you, then be consistent, okay, so that I'll be able to see a good result after watching this video. So before we dive in, here in this channel I teach different strategies on how to make money online. Okay, and if you find any of my video helpful, kindly show me love by subscribing to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell so that I'll be the first person to watch my next strategy before it got saturated. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the website. So the first website is called canstockphotos.com. okay, canstockphoto.com. canstockphoto.com. That's the first website. So if you find yourself in this website, all you have to do is just to scroll down and hit this sell your image button. Okay, so just hit this sell your image and scroll down, and if you check through all this info here, it says sell your image, your clip, how can I start selling image, and okay, you read through all this. Okay, read through all this, can create an account, it's easy, free, and it's required. So all you have to do is just upload your photos and start earning some commission. Okay, and to earn the commission, it says every time one of your images is downloaded, you will earn a commission. Also, if you refer another photographer to us, you earn $5 for every photo they sell. Okay, so you can also be an affiliate on this website. Okay, you can host your image, or you can upload your photo and also be an affiliate on this website. Okay, to do that, you just hit this apply now and you wait for it to load up, and you scroll down and hit on this continue. Then you fill up all this. Okay, if you fill up all this, the requirements, the experience, are you an experience, you choose it, either novice, but then I won't advise you to choose a novice. Okay, you start either by choosing amateur, semi-pro or professional. Okay, so that they'll be able to approve you quickly. Then you scroll down and fill up all this, then you hit on continue. Okay, so after you are done with that, you upload your image and okay, price your image. Okay, give it a price. Okay, so that's the first website, which is called Canstock Photo. Okay, canstockphoto.com. That's the first website. My second website is shutterstock.com. okay, so this is the website, shutterstock.com. so this website also buy photos, okay, from photographers. Okay, so to sell image on this website, all you have to do is to scroll down. You scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you see somewhere that says sell your content. Okay, then you hit the button and you fill up all this. Okay, you fill up all this, then you fill up all this and hit on the next button. So after that, they will ask you to upload your image, then you'll be able to upload your stock image. Okay, so if you watch this video till the end, I will show you how to get those stock image for 100% free. Okay, so just stick with it till the end of this video. So that's my second website, which is called shutterstock.com. so the third one is called bigstockphoto.com. so this website also buy photos from people. Okay, so these are stock photo, all these are stock photos by other people. Okay, so for you to also sell your photo on this website, all you have to do is to scroll down and you hit on this sell image button. Okay, you hit on this sell image button and you wait for it to load up, and it says you sign up, upload your image and earn some money, then you grow your portfolio. But all this website, you have to be consistent to make some money. Okay, not by uploading 1-2 image, you have to be uploading consistently so that I'll be able to make some money. Okay, so you create an account with them and start uploading your image. That's the third one. Then you head to the fourth website, which is called dreamstime.com. I love this website a lot. Okay, because a friend of mine is making a lot of money from this website, which is called dreamstime.com. so if you find yourself on this website, all you have to do is to scroll down to where you'll see let's see, you scroll down. Okay, this is it. You'll see upload and sell photos. Okay, you hit this. If you hit this, you wait for it to load up, and all these are contributors. Okay, people making money with this with selling photos. Okay, all these are the people making money on this website. here all these people, okay, they are making money from this website by selling photos to this website. Okay, so for you to also sell your own, you have to start. Okay, you click on upload stock photos. Okay, you hit this, or you just come over here and sign up and start making. Okay, all you have to do is just sign up and start making some money with them. Okay, so that's the fourth website. So let's head to this fifth website, which is called depositphotos.com. Depositphotos.com. On this website, all you have to do is just sign up, and when you sign up, you scroll down, then you scroll down. Start scrolling down. On the bottom of this website, you see all this. Okay, so all you have to do is just to hit on this. Okay, you can hit on sell photos or become a contributor, one of the two. Okay, you can become a contributor, you can also sell. Okay, so for us to sell photos on this website, just hit on this sell photo, and you fill up all the requirements and start making some money on the website also. Okay, so that's my fifth website. So for the sixth website, okay, this is called 123rf.com. 123rf.com. Okay, now this is also a website where you can sell your stock photos. Okay, so to sell your stock photos on this website, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you see where you can become an affiliate on this website also, or you monetize your creations, which is selling your photos to them. So to sell your photos to them, you have to hit on this 123rf contributors and you wait for it to load up, which is so can you see this? So wait for it to load up, and this is, so they said monetize your photo, vector, sound and feature footage creations. Okay, so to start selling photos on this website, all you have to do is just to hit on sign up as a contributor, and you fill up the form, you fill up all this, and you sign up and start earning commission. One thing good about this website is that you earn 60% of your commission. Most of the previous websites do give 30, 20, 50, 40% commission. Okay, but this website here pays more than them, which is a 60% commission of any sale. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the traffic. As I told you, all you have to do is to download the stock photos from the website I'm going to show you next, then upload it to this website and sit back to earn some money. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you the website to get the stock photos. To get those stock photos, all you have to do is just to head to unsplash.com. okay, all these images are copyright free. Okay, so all you have to do is just to download this. You download this image, download free. Okay, after downloading, can you see this? It has been downloaded. So you head back to the previous website and start uploading the pictures. But what I will advise you is this: make sure you have an account with the 6 websites so that you'll be able to make more money quickly. Okay, so you can upload an image for all the 6 websites. Okay, create an account with the previous 6 websites and upload the image you downloaded from Unsplash to the 6 websites. Okay, so let me show you more of where to get free stock photos. So to get more free stock photos, you can also head to pexels.com. Pexels.com also give out free copyright images. Okay, so all these are free to use. Okay, you can download all these for free to use. All you have to do is just download them and head back to the 6 previous websites, then upload them and start making some money. Okay, so the other website is called pixhere.com. pxhera.com. okay, they also give out copyright free photos. Okay, free copyright photos. You can also download all these for free and use them on the previous 6 websites. So that's how easy this method is. All you have to do is just be consistent. Okay, you don't have to, not by uploading 1-2 image, you have to be consistent by uploading every day. Okay, on the website, so the photos are already there for you to use. Just go to one of these websites, the last 3 websites I show you: Pixhere, Pexel, with Unsplash. Okay, those three websites has free stock photos to use, so just go there and start downloading, then upload them on the first 6 websites, okay, which is canstockphotos.com, shutterstock.com, bigstockphotos.com, dreamstime.com, depositphotos.com, 123rf.com. Okay, so those 6 websites are where to upload the photos you downloaded from the last 3 websites. Okay, so just go out there and implement the method I just showed you now, and it works. Okay, trust me, it works. Just be consistent and be patient, okay, for you to see more results. So I think that's all for now. If you find it helpful, kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.